So this is how you can turn off the personalized ads on an iPhone. Now, let me show you where you can find it and how it would work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you can find this specific thing which you are talking about inside of settings, then privacy and security, and at the bottom or closer toward the bottom we can find the Apple advertising. And when you get inside, you can see the personalized ads toggle and you can enable it or disable it. So it is obviously up to you to decide. You have a little description there below too. So turning off personalized ads will limit Apple's ability to deliver relevant ads to you, but will not reduce the number of ads you receive. So that is the control that you have. And yeah, that is the main thing which I wanted to show you. Outside of that, part of the main privacy and security section, there is the tracking menu at the top. And in there, you can allow apps to request to track you, right? So some apps like social media apps or even others can see sort of what you're doing, and then they, based on that, can actually serve you better ads. Some people might like it more because you get like better recommendations for products or something. Some people may not like it, so you can decide if an app generally has the ability to ask for it, or those apps which have already asked if you want to allow it for those or not. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to explain how you can approach this and how it works. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials and upcoming videos, and I'll see you later.